What's up, guys? I just shot the first half of the video of me buying a gimbal. We're gonna buy it in store, but we ended up actually buying it online. So it'll be here Monday, but I gotta get some content for you guys tomorrow. So we are gonna go downtown and we are going to take the camera. It's back here behind the seat. I didn't want nobody to steal it. I don't know why it's not in my bag. Yeah, whatever. We're gonna go downtown. We're gonna walk around and see if we can find some cool shots, maybe some street photography, something new, or maybe some cars, something. We're gonna find something to get into today to film some content. So without further ado, let's go. So we are downtown. Don't mind the wind in my hair because it's doing its own thing. So we are out here and we're gonna go walk around and we're gonna go find some things to take pictures of. The sun and the lighting is literally beautiful, and it's only gonna get better, especially as a golden hour sets in. So and the skies are very clear, so that's good for photography. So we're gonna go get the camera, lock the car up especially, and let's walk around and see if we can find some good shots. All right, so we're walking around. I don't really see anything happening. Going to some prettier parts that I haven't been to before. Hopefully I find something I haven't seen. I'd like to get some cool pictures of a car or, you know, something that stands out. It's really windy, so I'm not sure how the audio is gonna be. You can tell by my hair, but yeah, we'll just keep walking. We're just gonna walk down this road. It looks cool. The wind's not as bad either because the buildings are blocking it. So up there at the very top of that hill looks sweet. But we're gonna do pretty much a big block or big lap around the block and just see what we can capture the most of. That is a really low clearance for a parking deck. Holy smokes! You ain't getting no trucks in there. This is definitely a pretty cool spot if you were to bring somebody for a photo shoot. There's so many cool spots that just don't have any like subjects to film, so I'm kind of looking for something to stand out. Just not seeing it. So after walking around for about, I'd say 20 minutes, I finally found a car. This cool Bentley right here. I'm gonna snap some pictures of it. So you got some cool shots. This thing's sweet. The color's pretty. It's got that beige interior. It's a nice Cadillac too. Drop top. You make a perfect picture just about like right here, like that. Nice little wheel shot right here. Maybe if we got like one of the interior, something like that. Maybe from the front shot. Definitely get a close-up on like the grill and the logo. So I'm gonna put these photos up on the screen. I'll show you like the logo one I did and some of the ones I took, because it's hard for me to hold the phone and, you know, get decent photos. But this, I came across the street. So we're looking at a shot kind of like this. Maybe we'll drop down lower for one like that. That looks pretty freaking sick in my opinion. Throw that one up on the screen as well. Definitely an awesome car to see out here, especially the location. We got some pretty good pictures. Show you guys a few. Definitely a lot of horizontals. A couple of verticals. When I shoot for fun, I like shooting horizontals just as much as verticals, because it just makes the picture look full and big. Most people want verticals, obviously, for social media, so I don't get to do that as much, but definitely a cool car. We are gonna keep walking down this way. We walked all the way around that way, didn't see nothing until now, so we're gonna walk on down this way and see if we can get some more cars or, you know, something cool. I didn't really see any people that were doing anything, you know, I guess photogenic enough to take a photo of. I mean, you can take a photo of anything, it's art, but at least my style and what I'm comfortable with, cars is something I have an eye for. So we're gonna keep walking around. It is a beautiful day out here, other than the wind, but it is what it is. And I guess I will pick up when we find something new. All right, well, we found a cool little Tegra right here. See if I can take some pictures of it. It's kind of in a busy little intersection, so I don't know if I'm gonna get any in the road. I'm trying to get over on that side. The way the sun's hitting that fender looks pretty sweet. We get some like angle down shots of that. So let's see what we can do. Because I know, like, from right here, you can kind of see my strap would move out of the way without me dropping my camera. That'd be great. Something quite like that. That looks really good. So I made it to the other side. So we're gonna get some pics right here like that. I tried to get some of that fender. It's just such a nice car in terms of where it's sitting and everything. Just like the stance and stuff is pretty cool on it. Get some little horizontals of it real quick from some different angles. Yeah, that looks dope. Looks like a wallpaper. Could be a wallpaper. You guys want me to sell wallpapers or just make them? Well, let me know in the comment section. That's sweet. And you know, this car and that Bentley, they're both nice cars in their own way. Someone has, you know, took time to keep this thing running, you know, lower it and stuff. So, and that's what makes cars cool, because it doesn't matter how much money you have. You can have a cool car on both ends of the spectrum. Like, it can be a perfectly like stock car, and if it's pretty, you know, it's nice. It's nice. And you know, the same thing with a fully aftermarket car. Even some kit cars I've seen are really nice. And that's what people, you know, I think hate about car culture so much, is that, you know, they don't have money to do this, they don't have money to do that. But in terms of reality, if someone's happy with their build, and hopefully these people are, then, you know, it's a good car. It doesn't matter, you know, how much it costs or how much you put into it, how much, you know, it doesn't really matter. And that's what's cool about car culture. So I guess we're gonna keep walking down that way, because I didn't see anything up that way. Sometimes there's cool cars that sit along this line here, but there's not today. So we're gonna walk down that way and see what else we can find. A little Camaro action. Yeah, so we made pretty much a big lap around the whole city. We're walking back to the car now. I don't even see anything else that stands out to me, really. So probably gonna get some food, go home, and then edit these photos, and then make this video so I can get it out to you guys tomorrow. Definitely some more content coming with the gimbal, yeah, little Mustang action. Very pretty out here. A lot of people doing a lot of things. Then you got me walking around with my phone. It's not something I'm used to, something I'm kind of just embracing and getting used to. Yeah, should be a cool little vid. We definitely need to do more of this. I'd like to go to like some places like Charlotte or Raleigh, some bigger cities, or just different places. Next one we'll probably do would be in Kernersville, North Carolina, just because it's not too far from here. We're in Winston right now, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So it's a pretty cool spot there. Definitely the park. The park's definitely cool. I don't know how much you can hear this because of the wind. Hopefully it's not too bad. We're walking up here to the car and we're gonna get some food, and then I'll show you guys the editing process. All right, we're back at the house. We're about to grill out, so that's why I'm outside. Got the camera hooked up to the laptop. So let me show you exactly what I do. First thing I do, since I'm on Windows, is I load up legacy photos. Sorry if there's a reflection of everything in the back. You can't really see outside. Basically, I take all the photos off my camera from that day, that shoot, put them in a folder on my hard drive. So I have the raw, and then I'll have the edited. once I have all the raw, I'll upload it and have it synced to the cloud on Lightroom. I'll edit on my laptop or my phone, wherever I'm at, and then I will save it with my watermark back into an edits folder on my hard drive. From there, I send it out to whoever or post it online, do what I have to do. But that's pretty much my simple editing process. If I have to do anything major, I can sync it with Photoshop and use it on my laptop, but normally I don't focus on all that because I try to capture, the more natural side of my photos. So with that being said, I got work to do. I gotta get this video edited for tomorrow. That gimbal will be here Monday, so we should see that video next week as well. I'm very excited about what's happening soon, so make sure you guys follow. Make sure you hit that bell so you know when I post and you can see what's new. Hopefully we get some new car parts and stuff here soon. Probably take the door off, and then we're probably gonna dive at least one of the door panels. So be looking for that as well. Make sure you check out my Instagram because you'll see the photos that we took in full depth. So yeah, let me get to work, and you guys have a good night.